Okay, fuck. Well, gone outside and yeah, I have a backpack packed full of shit, and I packed an extra pair of clothes in case I get wet or something, or I fall in some sort of swamp or something. Pack some snacks too, because God keeps that hunger down, and I pack some tools in case anyone or anything tries to mess with me and attack me, so I can either put them out of their misery potentially, or just knock them out. Hopefully I don't have, but that's the least likely of my worries. Yeah. Found an entryway and I'm in. It's good. And I'm fucking hungry, so yeah. These are my surroundings. I saw a cute little bunny run by about that away just a minute ago, so yeah, it's great. Not hating it. Oh fuck, pardon. So yeah, I can just watch me eat this cheese stick for a minute or so. Barely even on camera, basically. But yeah, this is the other shoe that I'm carrying around with me in case some shit happens and I need new shoes. I did not pack any socks because fuck that, I guess. And these are some relatively clean underwear that I also packed. And I packed some camo pants and this cool Spider-Man shirt that I was wearing in my Guitar Center drumming video. That's the one. That's the one. So we got some Ritz here too. This video is not sponsored by Ritz Crackers in any way, but good shit. I might as well show you what I brought to defend me with in case shit gets bad. I brought this fucking hammer. Oh. Yeah. Sounds pretty good. And I brought a crowbar too. This thing's fucking rusty. It used to be, I assume, a metallic blue color, but over time, yeah, you can see that shit. Yeah. And I brought a drumstick. Yeah, this is probably gonna break, for sure. And I brought a drum brush. I don't know what I expect this to do, but it's probably stronger than the stick. So, yeah. But I'm not going to be here too long, to be honest. I'm probably going to be here about an hour or less. But yeah, that's it. That's all I brought with me. Alright, let's get up and fucking look around. That shit. because nature is fucking beautiful. Shit! Zip up, bitch. Jesus. Holy shit. I get up and just start looking around and find all this shit laid out here. Is that a fucking chair? Is somebody living here, or was somebody living here? Why did they leave all the stuff here? Are they still here? Did somebody die? Holy shit. They lighter here too. And that's a shoelace too. Okay, yeah, what the fuck? And we have a broken lighter too. And I don't know if... Oh, and we got some burnt wood as well. And we have this flag here too. I think I've seen these flags around here before. What do they mean? I'm sure they're commonplace around the world and places. Oh, I wasn't even naming it. There we go. And we have this bag around this stick for some reason. But yeah, what the hell? Nothing that's relatively important, just a bunch of twigs and trees and beautiful green leaves. And a bunch of sticks lying on the ground, branches, whatever you want to call them. That's a stick. That's a stick. This beer bottle about to get smashed. Fuck. Hold up. Shit. Well, this hammer's gonna be useful for something. Shit. Oh my god, I just had a thought. What if this is my last video and I die here or something? Like, I would not want that to happen. I mean, because I'd be dead. And shit, like, I don't want to die here, man. I don't want this to be like a found footage type thing. You know? God. If any of you who watched me actually liked me, that would be a bit of a shame for you, wouldn't it? Yeah. I don't know if y'all are seeing this, but this spiderweb is beautiful. Yeah, there's no way y'all are gonna see that. I don't know, maybe if I edit it, maybe you'll see it, but it's such a beautiful design. These creatures are so splendid. Oh, there's a bit of it. I think that's a spider being shaken around by the wind and staying on tight. Oh yeah, there it is. There's a bit more of it. But yeah, I'm gonna try to. Oh yeah, that's it. Good. Yeah, I found a clearing or an exit to whatever trail I was on, and yeah, this is nice. I like this. I like this a lot. But yeah, there's a way back. I'll go back pretty soon. But for now, it's gonna walk along. Oh, some of the spiderweb got attached to my phone. I have no idea if I pulled it. Oh, okay, there it's right on me. But yeah, there's what was that? I think it was just the wind. Never mind. I hope it was just the wind. Oh god, I feel like I'm going too far. I gotta go back. Let's see if there's anything beyond this trail. Or I mean, beyond this specific trail. There's my feet. That one's really starting to pick up. Yeah, but just enjoy the shot of this. Oh, those are a little bit creepy looking. I don't like this now. Yeah, anyways. Shit. Are those leaves black? I don't like that. And it led to this. Okay. Nah, not yet. I'm sitting in Pod Twig having a snack. That's all. Oh good, it stays up. I can actually set it down without it spilling. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. I apologize for that joke. I'm so sorry. That was horrible. These ones are a little bit creepy. I don't know. Oh, fuck. But on the other hand, it could be a lot worse. I could be dead. Bunch of shit got on me. Ugh. Okay, that's all. I just heard an animal make a aggressive sound. I don't know. I didn't like it, that's for sure. And I have the feeling that I should now leave. Oh, hey, there's a Venus fly. No, that's a leaf. But yeah, right after I finish my soda and my snack, I'm getting the fuck out of here. Because I don't want to piss off any more animals if that's what I did. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to see more content in the future. See y'all later. Peace out. Love y'all. Stay safe. Stay safe. Yeah, no, that's the end of this nature walk. It was fun while it lasted, though. But animals are dicks, except for my doggie. I love her. And I got a bunch of green needly shit on me. I'll show you in a sec. But yeah, no, it's this stuff, I'm not sure what it's called exactly, but yeah, that's what it looks like. But yeah, see y'all later.